Oh yeah, boy, Quasi on. Hold on, let me grab the net. Oh, there's a carp?
Looks like it.
Hold up. Ooh, that boy heavy, son.
Yeah, you got those looking at it?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my bad.
On that mountain thing? Y'all ready? I'm gonna pop. Nah, come on, don't do that. Don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself. I'm gonna pop for that.
I'm jacking the manual one better. You can just hook them through the gill.
Send through the gill.
Yeah, just hang them off like right here. Woohoo!
Nah, you got the other one?
Yeah, I told you. It's kind of little though, but should work. Oh, you good. You gotta get him up first. What's the weight? What's the weight?
What is that?
Oh,
That's
11.
about 11.
Yeah, 10 and a half. I ain't gonna lie, that motherfucker look big as hell though.
About 11, 10 and a half pounds. Let me get him back in the water though.
Good shit. Let it sink before I start reeling. Oh, somebody else's line. Oh shit, Quaz, look. Yeah, this yours? It's green. Fuck it. That's a good jig head. Hey, I'm about to use this shit. Look at it. This shit got like fur and everything. Alright, this is the next lure we putting on. Oh, I got one, Quas. Get the net, get the net. Oh, it's a big one. I think it's a lake trout, is it? Yeah, boy. Yo, Ron, I got a Lakey. Oh, yeah, boy. That's a big one, too. That's crazy. The shit that I be needing ain't where it's at. Yo, can you grab my flick? Just set it right there. Oh yeah, he wanna go. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how you be doing that shit on your dollar like that, bro. That shit be hard as fuck. It's gonna weigh it, but I took it out the water, it wasn't that big. That was a good size though.